Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to search anything on iPhone using Spotlight. So as you know, if you go here on the main screen and if you have, your finger down, you can see now that you can actually search for anything right here. So pretty much anything, right? So let's say we want to search for, I don't know, Drake, right? We search for Drake. And then here we will get Drake meme, Drake son. We have a series suggestions for Safari. We also have series suggested websites, which is Drizzy Drake on Twitter. We have Drake equation. We have Drake related. We also have photos where Drake is basically, where Drake name is within the photos, right? Which is awesome. And then we also have dictionary, and we can search in apps as well. We can also search in mail. So iPhone gives us, a lot of the things that we can do when searching, on iPhone using Spotlight. So, and as you can see, we can also, do a lot more. We can search in app here. So that's pretty much it. For example, if we type in something else, right? Let's say we type in business. We click business. Like that. We got the top applications for the business. We have series suggestions for business websites. We have App Store, Skype for Business. We can install the app here. We have contacts. We can call the contacts. We have settings. We can go into business settings. We can go into application settings, right? We can go to series suggested websites from settings, right? Or from business, right? And then also photos where business is, right? So as you can see, business, business here, business there, and then you can search in apps, which is email, Google Drive, or messages, or any other file. So this is basically how to use Spotlight on iPhone to search for anything. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you will enjoy our other tutorials. Subscribe to our channel, like this video if you like it, and we'll see you in the next video.